Hi guys, good morning. Today I would like to forbid all of you from the use of extra words in English grammars. It means two words of the same meaning cannot be used in a sentence. English grammar avoids repetition, so we cannot use two words which would give the same meaning in a sentence. So we can never use two words in a single sentence. I repeat, two words of the same qualities cannot be used in a sentence because in English grammar repetitions are avoided. So, for example, if I say wet water, sweet honey, here water is already wet. We cannot use extra word with water. Honey is already sweet. Can we use sweet with honey? Not. So guys, we cannot use two words with the same meaning. Sweet, honey. Honey is sweet. So we cannot use word sweet with honey. Water is already wet. In wet position, we cannot use wet with water. So there, if we find such words being used with a word which gives the same meaning, then the first would be eradicated from the sentence. So in the class of adjective, I have told you that two adjectives of the same qualities cannot work in a single sentence. I repeat, two adjectives cannot work in a single sentence if they are giving the same meaning. And this is the same condition here. We cannot use two words of the same meaning and of the same sense. When we use a word in a sentence, it depends upon the structure of the sentence which would clarify a word's parts of speech. It is not the word which tells its own parts of speech, but it is the structure of the sentence which tells a word's parts of speech in a sentence. So here we would like to take some examples. If I say his purse was stolen by someone, here we cannot use someone because we have already known about the fact that her purse was stolen by anybody or anyone. So we cannot use the word someone, anyone. So this sentence would be wrong. We can say only his purse was stolen. By someone, we cannot use by someone. Because the deed of theft can be committed only by someone. Deed of theft cannot be occurred or cannot be done without the interference of a person. So we cannot use someone, anyone in the sentence. If I say in another example, India broke all previous records in today's match. India broke all previous records in the match. So guys, records. With records, we cannot use previous. The word previous cannot be used with record. So, because it makes a sentence superfluous. In English grammar, we should avoid these types of superfluous. So, records cannot accept those words which give the same meaning. Previous records already indicates previous things. So we cannot use a word like previous with a record. In another example, if we say Monu and Syam are equally good. Monu and Syam are equally good. This sentence is wrong because we cannot say Monu and Syam are equally good. We can say that we can keep, if both nouns keep the same quality, then we can keep the sentence in positive degree. If two nouns used in a sentence, are not in position to give the same quality, then we can keep them in comparative degree. So here we can keep the sentence in positive degree and we can say that Ram is as good as Syam. This sentence would be right. There are some words which cannot be used with the word again. As we talk about rebirth, reborn, rebuild, regain, retreat, etc. These words wouldn't accept the use of again in the sentence. They can stand alone in the lack of the word again. So guys, overall, our main focus is on this fact that we cannot use two words of the same qualities. If one word is the representative of another word, then both words cannot exist in a single sentence. So I repeat, both words, if clarify the same fact, cannot exist in a single sentence. So guys, here we would like to end the class now. We would meet in our next class. Thank you.